Welcome back to JPA Boxing Report. Carl James Martin, aka The Wonder Boy, is coming back at ang kanyang mga kalaban ay si Oscar Duge ng Tanzania. At ito ay gaganapin this August 19 sa Mandaluyong City College Gym, and this will be his first fight since December of last year, kung saan tinalo niya ang Thailander na si Nantapek via second round knockout. Si Wonderboy ay may undefeated record na 21 wins with 17 knockouts. Sa kabilang banda, ang kanyang kalaban na Tanzanian na si Oscar Duge ay may record na 11 wins, 4 knockouts at may 5 talo. Kilala si Oscar dahil sa kanyang tibay at ring generalship. Never pang na-knockout itong si Oscar. James Martin is currently ranked number 4 sa IBF at number 9 naman sa WBO sa super bantamweight. And I'm sure this is gonna be another good test para kay Wonderboy. And that's it for this video, JP Boxing Report. Time out.